I'm here, Neelu. Hi. Hi. Awesome,
Hi,
Neelu.
Simi.
I'm so glad I was able to say that to you finally. Upmaji,
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Simin.
Tell us, Simon. I heard from Upmaji that you are a practitioner as well, and you've learned this course with her, and that you're now using it with your own work. So, please tell us what's that been like.
so first and foremost, I have learned a number of modalities, and according to me, after I have learned what I have under Upmaji, it's going to be very sad for Mystic Lotus because I don't think I'm going to learn anything more. Okay, and there are a couple of reasons why I'm saying this. So I have learned about 32, 35 modalities all together, and this particular course, it blends with everything. So I now understand how planets work with my tarot cards, with numerology, with colors, as Upmaji has just demonstrated to us, Lenormand cards, and the list is just endless. I mean, white magic and candle therapy and all of it, and that makes the course very very holistic. Secondly, people want remedies. Now there are people who may not want to spend money. Okay, they may want something which they would just want to pick up from the kitchen. Some people genuinely cannot buy crystals or they cannot buy gemstones. But with the course that Upmaji offers, as a practitioner's course, I think you can give remedies to everybody who has an issue. She will also give you surrogate remedies. For example, I have this 11-year-old son, and she will tell me things which I can do on his behalf, so that at least there is some shift which brings about. And Nelu, it is amazing how the shift takes place so swiftly and so smoothly, and you after a while realize, oh my god, it has worked wonders.
Wow.
Further, okay, it is a course which okay, so another thing special about Upmaji and her sweet voice besides that is that she picks on to the energy of the group. Like, our group is highly intuitive, so she knows how to deal with this intuitive bit. Secondly, she knows when we go drab, and she knows how to pick us up. It is initially, I was extremely worried when I took up the case because it was all a matter of calculations, is what I was told, and I was terribly atrocious at mathematics. But the calculation was not with regard to numbers at all. It was with regard to the relationship that one planet has with the other, one house has with the other. And let me tell people, if they think that it is very difficult, it is not difficult. I'm sure if I can pick it up, anybody can pick it up. It's just a matter of dedication, of paying attention. And the best part is, Omaji will give you small tips, and you just have to remember those little tiny bit of tips. For example, when I do tarot card reading now, I tell people to send me their details as well, and I immediately know whether the person is going to be honest to me or not. So if there is a daughter-in-law coming and cribbing about mother-in-law, I do not know who is lying and who is genuine. But there is one simple trick which she will teach people, which I cannot reveal and I must not. And
Right.
it's just so simple, which tells you that the person is genuine and does not lie. But this particular Vedic astrology course, it will empower people. It gives self-guidance. It will help you to understand yourself. It will help you to understand others in terms of personality, their behavior patterns, besides all your other things in terms of career, marriage, etc. So the course has a lot to offer. The Kundli that is there in front of us is a coded language. But to decode it is something that Upmaji makes it very simple. I think it is a reflection of how she has learned, because she will tell us that don't worry about theory. Yeah, pick up the practical aspect, because ultimately it is the practical aspect which is going to be very very important. So awareness, bringing about awareness that each planet does. I mean, for me right now, Neelu, I'm so connected to planets. I talk to them, and Upmaji actually understands and she decodes this because I am into automatic writing. So I have developed a connection with these planets, and now I tell them, "Mera ye ka, just do X Y Z for me," and it is done. So the kind of connection and the awareness that the course brings up, and Upmaji simplifies it. She will not make it, and she has lot of patience. She will smile through and answer our questions very patiently. She will in fact tell us, if you haven't understood, I will take a full class on this. I will repeat, but I want it to get into your conscious, unconscious, and subconscious. It should get absolutely deep, such that Neelu, when I meet people now, I immediately know which planet is more dominating and which is not. So initially, when it started happening, Neelu, I was telling Upmaji, am I getting abnormal? She said, no, you are connecting intimately
Right.
to the planets. It's a wonderful course, and learning it from Upmaji, I think, a practitioner as a healer, it is an absolute must. As I said, after learning so much, I think with astrology, I can really tell myself now, probably slow down. Don't get into anything else besides this. And one more thing, we actually nudge her that give us extra material. I love to read. I'm a voracious reader, so I tell her, give me a book reference, give me this. Patiently give everything. She'll
Right.
not crib. She'll say, "It is yours. Tell me what else you want." So you get a guru. One thing, last point, Neelu, I want to make. Astrology, I have realized, is not something that you can learn from books. You need a teacher. I like
Right.
to say we need a guru who will
Yes.
teach you and guide you through every single aspect. Because I have read a number of books, and then when I took up the course, I told her, what you were telling me, Upmaji, I don't think I will ever get into any kind, a book, nothing. It's just a guru who can guide you through the entire process. Totally love Upmaji, totally love the course, highly recommend it.